What are the best drills for a pullover? Well, let me show you. But first, let's be clear. This is a beginner bar, not for like kips or back hip circles or anything too crazy. But if you're interested, it's in the description. The first drill are pull-ups, but particularly pull-ups in a pike. This is the beginning shape of your pullover. Technically, you're not supposed to be pikey in your pullover, but we can talk about that later. The second drill, my favorite, chin holds. That was a joke. Start with 5 seconds and then increase your time when you get stronger. Now, for the last one, you're going to lower your bar all the way down. And you will need a stool or a chair or something that is stable. I'll be honest, mine was not completely stable in this video, but it's okay. Whatever you grabbed is going to go in front of you, but not too close because you don't want to hit your head. So once the stool or whatever you have is in a good place, you're going to kick, and you're actually going to kick all the way over. This is a part where you have to visualize a little bit because I'm too old to actually do this stuff and I don't have any children to show you. So bring your chin to the bar, kick, and then bring your hips to the bar, go around the bar, and just like a pullover. Do these every day and you'll get your pullover in no time.